Did you know that music is a language? Just like any language, we begin by learning that there are small parts that make up a whole, very similar to letters that make up a word. Those words, when you put them together, make a sentence. Sentences, when you put them together, make a paragraph. The language of music works in very much the same way. Music theory is the how and why behind music. It's essentially the rules that govern the movement of a musical language. When a musician understands these rules and has a command of them, they're able to truly learn their music, compose, improvise, and perform. Here at Living Keys Piano, we believe that every music student should have a strong foundation in music theory so that music can truly come alive. Our theory club classes are fun, interactive, engaging group classes where we learn the how and the why behind music. Students discover the fundamental building blocks of music for sight reading and ear training. They develop effective analysis techniques to study the elements of music, and they quickly master musicianship skills that help them to excel in music performance. Call or message to schedule your free trial lesson so that you can see how theory club classes are the perfect fit for your growing musician.